Welcome to Fonexpress Service Centre, the only multi-brand authorized mobile phone repair in Kenya.
I have calls to make, I have businesses to run, it can't work, please help me.
Whether you've got a cracked screen, a battery that won't hold charge, or any other phone troubles, we've got you covered. We understand that your phone plays an essential part in your life. That is why we aim to provide fast, reliable, and affordable solutions. If you're experiencing any issues with your phone, just book it at the nearest Fonexpress, PhoneLink, or some Airtel shops. That's right, our team of expert technicians use top-notch equipment and genuine parts from the manufacturers to ensure the highest quality repairs. Remember, all repairs here are done in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines and standards.
This is my phone?
Yes.
The same one that I came with?
Yes.
Wow, it looks brand new. This is amazing. You guys are fast and efficient. I truly appreciate you. Asante.
If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us through our social media pages at Fonexpress on Facebook, Twitter, IG, call us or WhatsApp us on 0720-628-628. We are located at Westlands, Army Arcade, 3rd floor, and Town, Moi Avenue, Kenya Cinema, ground floor.
Yes, we repair all the phones from Samsung, Tecno, Nokia, Redmi, Infinix, and even all the other phones. Hello? Sorry, we are in a great. Okay. You can visit fonexpress.net to check the branch locations.